Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add keyframes on the video effects to create this cool shake for your edit. So first you need to add clips to CapCut, and I suggest you only add a short clip like this. And after that, just go to the video effects. Click on the nightclub category and then select the shake effect. Okay, trim the effect as short as possible. Okay, like this. And then after that, add 3 keyframes on the effect. So for the first keyframe at the beginning here, adjust the speed into 100 and also the intensity. Now add a second keyframe here, then adjust the speed 100 but intensity 40. Now for the last one, at the end of the effect, okay, in here adjust the speed 100 but intensity 0. So the effect will go like this. Now copy the effect 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after that put the effect under the first one, but make the next one start a bit later than the previous one. So drag it a bit like this. Okay, so the effect will go like that. Now go to the video effects again, opening and closing, then select the oblique blur effect. Now add 3 keyframes on the oblique. Okay, I'm going to make it short first. So add 3 keyframes. The first one, set the blur 100 and rotate 40. Now on the second one here, adjust the blur 100, rotate 97. Okay, or 93. Okay, then for the last one, the same. Okay, so now copy the oblique blur effect 10 times. Okay, after that you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.